पंजाबी रेडियो यूएसए देख रहे ਸਾਰੇ ਹੀ ਦਰਸ਼ਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਜੀ ਆਇਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਸਵਾਗਤ ਹੈ। ਮੈਂ ਰਾਜਕਨਵੀਰ ਸਿੰਘ ਇਸ ਟਾਈਮ ਸੈਕਰਾਮੈਂਟੋ ਤੋਂ ਕੈਪੀਟਲ ਬਿਲਡਿੰਗ ਦੇ ਬਾਹਰੋਂ ਰਿਪੋਰਟ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਹਾਂ। ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਇਸ ਟਾਈਮ ਕਾਂਗਰਸ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਇੱਥੇ ਇਲੈਕਟ ਹੋਣ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਕੈਂਡੀਡੇਟ ਦੇ ਤੌਰ ਤੇ ਜੌਨ ਡੁਆਰਟੇ ਉਹ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਜੁੜੇ ਨੇ। ਹੈਲੋ ਜੌਨ, ਵੈਲਕਮ ਟੂ ਦ ਸ਼ੋ।
Good to be here. Thank you for having me.
So John, you're here, you're looking at the farmers protest. You yourself are a farmer, so how do you see it?
I see it as ridiculous. I'm not only a farmer, Duarte Nursery is one of the largest tree and vine nurseries in the state. When these farmers can't irrigate their crops, my main business, my tree and vine business, I can't sell almond trees to farmers without water. I can't sell pistachio trees to farmers without water. People can't come work for Duarte Nursery and support their families when the farmers don't have water. And this is just an example of how what goes wrong for the farmers goes wrong for the entire Central Valley and national food security. So this is a big fight we're having. It's an important fight we're having, and it's a fight that the farmers are stepping up to have, but they're fighting for everybody right now.
So how's your campaign going? How are people receiving your campaign, your issues?
Very well. We're talking about get water on the farms, drill American oil, and get the high cost of living under control. That is what we're talking about. We're saying send a farmer to Congress, send John Duarte to Congress, and we will get water on the farms, drill American oil, and get the high cost of living under control. And working families are responding incredibly well. We are going to steal so many working family votes from the Democrats this time because they're going to trust the Republicans to get into office and do this. Get water on the farms, drill American oil.
Do you think right now in Sacramento or in this building, farming is a non-issue?
These guys don't know anything about farming. They care more about a dead fish than they do about the jobs, the health of children, the supply of food, the sustainability of our valley. Irrigated landscapes, irrigated farms, cities with parks and lawns and soccer fields are habitat. When you put water in the environment here throughout California, you're creating habitat value. And they're destroying it by flushing this water out to the ocean for narrow single species goals that have failed.
How do you see, if you get elected, how do you see you will represent the farmers?
We're going to make the argument clearly. And sometimes the farmers need a bigger coalition. So the first thing we need to do is communicate how our interests are aligned with working families. There's a lot more working families in California having trouble making ends meet right now than there are farmers. But when farmers can't grow food, these working families can't make ends meet. We've got families right now that can't afford to put gas in their tank and food on their table. And then rent is out of control. It's all this building right here. It's Gavin Newsom. It's my opponent, Adam Gray. It's the people in charge of California are destroying working families. They're crushing working families. And I'm going to fight for working families and fight for farms and fight for domestic energy. These are the things America needs to be relevant in the world. We can't be weak right now. We have to be strong. We need water on the farms. We need domestic energy. And we need working families to get behind us and make that happen.
Thank you, John. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for.
Good to be here.
ਸੋ ਇਹ ਸਨ ਜੌਨ ਡੁਆਰਟੇ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਨਾਲ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕੀਤੀ। ਸੋ ਇੱਥੇ ਹੀ ਮੈਂ ਹੁਣ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਨੂੰ ਸਮਾਪਤ ਕਰਦਾ ਹਾਂ। ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ
Let's
ਅਕਾਲ।
send a farmer to Congress.
Thank you.